Good morning, New Zealand. Here we have just made it to the yard, a 2018 Colorado LT double cab automatic ute, two-wheel drive, done only 51,000 Ks. Very good looking truck, as you can see, very shiny and red, absolutely stands out. That contrast with the black alloys, absolutely stunning. So put on only yesterday a set of 20-inch BGW wheels with all-terrain tyres. Great looking thing, has you standing out. There's not another one like it. Brand new, only just come out now. As you can see, it has a tow bar on the back here, so for all of your towing needs, which the 2.7 diesel was, 2.8 diesel was always known for. Your tonneau cover on the back, as well as the sports bar. Now, if we look under here, you'll also notice that it has a little bit of extra suspension that's been put in there, so it has been lifted slightly, gives it a big staunch look. Your roof rack's on top there as well. So if you're carrying anything, whether it's a ladder or a kayak, or hey, chucking a travel box on top as well. Nudge bar and spotlight, so this ute really has been kitted out very well, and hey, looks the part. Now if we come around the back side here and we pop open, you will notice that full-size back seat, so whether it's the team, the family, the dog, whoever you're chucking in the back there, plenty of space. The bonus these days of 3 shoulder belts, so safety is all important, of course. If we look over the top here too, you will be able to see that we do have a large infotainment unit in the middle there, as well as your steering wheel with all your steering controls, and of course your automatic shifter in the middle there. Again, as you can see, both inside and out, it's been very well looked after. It's a spotless truck, it's looking good, all the seats are nice and no tears, no nothing. Again, have a bit of a look through. All right. So this one is going online today, and obviously priced like this, it will not last long. So get in, call the team at Takanini today, and remember, we deliver nationwide.